Hi everyone, welcome back to day 2 of MBA before MBA, and today we are tackling the biggest fear of non-engineers, Excel. Here is the truth. In B school, your mouse is a liability. Whether you are a marketing simulator or you're dealing with a finance valuation, you will be judged on your speed. And अगर वहाँ आप बैठकर buttons ढूंढ रहे हो, then you will never finish your case study. But here's the good news. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be MBA ready. So I have researched the most used commands across consulting, finance, and marketing projects. So master these 7 and you are ahead of 90% of your batch. Number 1 पे आता है XLOOKUP. Forget about VLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is the modern, faster way to pull the data. The second one is pivot tables, the holy grail for turning the messy data into a clean table in just 3 clicks. Number 3 is if statements. Now, the basic logic that helps you categorize your data instantly. Case competition में बहुत helpful होता है. Number 4 is conditional formatting because pretty data is easier to present to a professor. Number 5 is paste special. That's Alt plus E plus S plus V, the most commonly used shortcut in the corporate world. Number 6 is if error. To keep your sheets looking professional and clean, you can avoid all the NA errors using this command. Number 7 and the last one is data validation, where this is essential for creating very clean drop-down menus in your project, very, very essential for presentations. Now, since I don't want you to waste weeks on a 20-hour course, I have handpicked the best high-impact resources. Number 1 is the Excel Jet. This is my go-to website. It's minimalist and no fluff and gives you the why and how of every formula in just 30 seconds. The second one is the OG Leela Gharani on YouTube. Her Excel for Business playlist is legendary. She explains everything with the corporate perspective, not just an academic one. Third one is, of course, Kevin Stratworth. If you want the how-to videos that are just under 5 minutes, then he's your man. Then number 4 is Excel Practice Online. This is a hidden gem website where you can actually practice the formulas inside the browser without even opening your own Excel. So what would be my biggest tip for today? For the next 48 hours, try to use your laptop without the mouse. Learn that alt shortcuts, and when you see a pro Excel user, you will see his hands never leaving the keyboard, right? So that's the level of business maturity recruiters look for during internships. वो जो PPA convert करना है ना आपको PPO. So ये speed ही है जो आपको placement में edge दिलाएगी. I have linked all these playlists and the survival 7 cheat sheet in the description below. Go through them, save them, and start practicing right now. And remember, if this helped you, then don't forget to like this video, share it with more and more people, and of course, subscribe to the channel. And if at all you feel that some part of your fear is gone related to Excel, then do comment below also. And याद रहे कि आज हमने एक्सेल के बारे में बात की, कल हम कुछ न्यू करने वाले हैं. So subscribe so that you don't miss the day 3. See you there. Until then, take care of yourself and study hard.